In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will help you set up your meetings smoothly and effectively. Let's begin by navigating to Microsoft Teams. If you don't have the Teams app installed on your computer, you can head to your web browser and type in teamslive.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft account. Enter your username and password, and you'll be taken to your Teams dashboard. With your Teams dashboard open, take a glance at the left-hand menu. Here you'll find several options like Activity, Chat, and Teams. What you're specifically looking for is the Meet button. Click on it to reveal more options related to scheduling and organizing meetings. This is where the magic happens. After clicking on Meet, you will see an option that says Schedule a Meeting. Select this, and you'll be presented with a neat interface to set up your meeting details. Start by giving your meeting a title. It can be anything that reflects the nature of the meeting, like Quarterly Review or Team Check-In. A well-chosen title will help participants understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Next, it's time to add participants. Look for the Add Required Attendees field. Here you can type the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. If you're inviting multiple participants, ensure you separate each email address with a semicolon. Now let's talk timing. You're going to set the date and time for your meeting under the Meeting Details section. Simply click on the Date field and choose a date from the calendar. For the time, select a start and end time that will be convenient for all participants. If you want an uninterrupted session, you have an option to click All Day for longer meetings or workshops. This can be especially useful for events that aren't bound by strict hours. Speaking of advanced options, you'll see a Who Can Present field. Here you can specify which attendees are able to present during your meeting. By default, everyone can present, but you can change this setting to limit it to specific individuals, ensuring a more controlled environment. Finally, don't forget the little details. After setting up everything, you'll have an option to add additional notes or instructions. This is where you can include an agenda, key points that need discussing, or any additional resources the participants might need ahead of the meeting. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click on Save. The meeting invitation will be sent out to the participants, and your carefully crafted event is ready to go. And that's it. A simple, streamlined way to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your next virtual gathering efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.